Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 12th mathematics chapter number 3 matrix. In this chapter we are going to discuss multiplication of two matrix. Today we will see how we will multiply two matrix. So here you see if A and B are two matrix. Here you see A and B we consider two matrix. Then their product AB is possible only when the number of columns of a matrix is equal to the number of rows of the matrix B. In multiplication, A is called pre-multiplier and B the post-multiplier. A we say pre and B we say post. Thus, if A is a matrix of order n by n and B is of the matrix n by p order, then their multiplication AB is equal C. We consider C here. So, V will be of order m by p and the ikth element Cik. You see here, I element is A and K element in B. Of the matrix C is obtained by taking ith row of A and kth columns of B, then multiplying the corresponding element and then adding, that is if. You see here A is equal Aij m into n and B is equal Bik n into m. Here we consider order m into n and here we consider order n into p. Then C is equal Cik. Cik, you see I also and K also here. Cik m into p. M into p order. M into p order. Now you see how we multiply. If suppose A m multiply n order and B is n multiply p. So we say m and here we take P. So it considers Cm into P. Now you see how we will find our order, where Cik is equal Ai1 B1k plus Ai2 B2k plus Ai3 B3k plus, like that we will do. So here you see summation j is equal 1 to n Aij Bjk. Okay, so now we take, here you see A B C D, I is equal 1 2 3 4 till n, K is equal 1 2 3 till m. The multiplication operation is clear from the following instructions. You see this is a I row. You see here I na 1 1 1 2 1 3 like that. So here we take I1, I2, I3, Ik, and this is a column V1k, V2k, V3k. So how we will see? You see here now it comes C1k, C2k, C. Let's take one example. Here A is equal 3 by 3 matrix and here B is equal 3 by 4 matrix. Since the number of element A is equal 3 is equal to the number of rows B is equal 3. Here you see we take same order no, same row. Here also 3 row and here also 3 row. So hence the product AB is possible. That is why product is possible. Okay, now this will be matrix of order 3 by 4. Different element of matrix AB will be obtained by following ways. You see, we will find out AB is equal C. So here we write A into B. C element come 1 1, C 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 2 1, 2 2 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 2. That means 3 by 4. So here C11 is equal sum of the product of the element corresponding to the first row of A and first column of B. You see here how we will do. Okay, now you see A is equal, row is 2, 1, 0. So here we consider 2, 1, 0. And this column we take, so 1, 2, 3. That means we take this row and this column. So here we write. Now you see, we multiply 2 into 1, 2 into 1. After then we put plus 1 into 2. After then we plus put 0 into 3. So 0 into 3. Now we solve this, so we will get 4. That means this elements come 4. Okay. Now column says C12. 1, 2, that means first row, second column. So you see here, we take this first row and this second column. So here 2, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1. Now how you will solve? You see 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. So it will come 2. Now you see C13. 1, 3, that means first row and this is a third column. So first row and we take this column 3, 1, 0. So here you see 3, 1, 0. Now we multiply 3 into 6, 1 into 1, 0 into 0. After then plus, so we will get answer. 1, 4, that means this row and this last column 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 5. So we take C14. 2, 1, 0. So 2 multiply 4, 1 multiply with 2, 0 multiply with 5. Now 2, 1. 2, 1, that means second row and first column. So second row, that means 3, 1, 2. This row 3, 2, 1. Okay, and 1, 2, 3 first column. So we multiply 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 1 into 3. After then 2, 2, matlab second column, second row. So we will multiply with 3 into 2, 2 into 0, 1 into 1 plus, then we will get. Here also 2, 3. So 3 multiply 3, 2 multiply 1, 1 multiply 0. Here 2, 3. That means second row of fourth column. So you see 4, 2, 5. Like that we will do 3, 1. That means third row. Third row is 1, 0, 1. You see 1, 0, 1. Okay. So we take like that and we will solve. Then we will get our answer. So you see answer is this. We apply all numbers in this row. After then we will get. So properties also there. You see matrix, properties of matrix communicative. They are communicative. You know the meaning of communicative. Okay. Matrix multiplication of general is not communicated because if A multiply B is equal B multiply A, they will give result different. Okay. So here some point is there, so you will read, then you will understand it is not a communicative. Because if we change the row, change the position, it will change. You see here. AB is equal AB, that means what? First row, first column. So we multiply 1 with 2 into 3. 1, 0, 2, 3. Second thing 1, 2. That means second row, first row, second column. So we multiply 1 multiply 1 and 2 multiply 2. After then second row, you put like that, na, first. AB is equal, it will easy for you for starting. A11, C11 otherwise, C12, C21, C22. It is easy for you. We take first row, first column, first row, first column, first row, second column, then second row, first column, second row, first, second column. So it will easy for you. Like that you will solve. Okay. Now you see here, if we multiply B into A, so order matrix will change. So answer also change. 6, 5, 9, 6 and here 0, 3, 3, 2. That is why it is not a communicative. Now you see, your question is, if matrix is A is equal this and B is equal this, so find A into B. You see here, Here matrix order is 2 multiply 2 and here also 2 multiply 2. That means you will get new C also in order 2 by 2. It is very clear. This first element we say 1, 2. This 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now you see here A multiply B, B1. So we will put here 1, 0, 0, minus 1 multiply 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. For starting, you will do one thing. Don't go direct. Okay. Directly also you can solve, no problem. But the starting time you will do one thing. You see. First say C11. What is the meaning of C11? It is a row, it is a column. So first row, that means we take first row 1, 0. And first column, that means 0, 1. So we will multiply 1 multiply 0 plus 0 multiply 1. It is our C11. It is our C11. Here, you look here directly we write. Okay. So now you see 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will come in 0. In second, you see C12. 1, 2 matlab 1, first row, second one. First row what is 1, 0. First column, second column, that means 1, 0. 1, 0. So here you will get 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So it will come here. And here we write 1, 0, 1 plus 0 into 0. Starting time, don't do directly. You go like that. In rough also no problem. Okay. Now you see C21. 21, that means second row. Second row what? 0 minus 1. And first column, that means 0, 1. So we will multiply 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. So you will get here minus 1. So here we write 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. C22, that means second row and second column. So 0 multiply 1 plus minus 1 multiply 0. So it will come 0 plus 0, so 0. 0 multiply 1 plus minus 1 multiply 1. What is your answer? Here 1. Okay. And here also minus 1 and here minus. So like that you will solve here. So the answer is 0, 1, minus 1, 0. It is also 2 by 2. Okay. Now let's take next example. Now you see, it is our next one. If you remember, I taught you m multiply n multiply p. It will come n multiply p. Okay, so you see here, we have 2 rows. That means here multiplication is possible. Because here also 2 row and here also 2 row. So resultant what you will get, you see, resultant you get 2 into 3. That means 2 by 3 matrix you will get. What is the meaning of 2 by 3? It is our C1, C2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now you see how you will get number C11. What is the meaning of 1 1? First row and second first column. First row, first column. C 1 2. 1 2 that means first row, second column. B is second, so we will take second. C 1 3 that means 6 9 and column is 0 8. Then you will solve this. 6 multiply with 2 plus 9 multiply 7. 6 multiply 6 plus 9 multiply 9. Here also same. 6 multiply 0 and plus 9 multiply 8. You will solve, then you will get 6 multiplied 2, that means so your answer is 75. It is your column. And here you see 36, 81, 170. Here 0 plus 72. So 70. So this row become C is equal. C that means what? A into B. Okay, in place of C11 we write 75. In place of C12 answer is 117. And in place of 13 it is our 72. Now pause the video and see. Find these values. Try to find this all values. Pause the video and do yourself. You will get C21, C22, C23. It is very clear. See, 2, 2, 2. That means second row. So we will take 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Now it is our column. So you see first column, second, and third. Then you multiply simple. So you will get 2 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 7. Here 2 multiply 6 plus 3 multiply 9. And here 2 multiply 0 plus 3 multiply 8. So 2 to the 4, 25. So here answer will 25. Here answer is 39 and here answer is here. So like that you will solve your problem. I hope you understand. Try to solve all question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.